Welcome to your Iridium GO, a portable handheld device that turns your smart device into a satellite phone with the power of Iridium's global network. Your Iridium GO provides fast, secure, and reliable communications through specialized smartphone or tablet apps, allowing you to communicate through your personal device to and from anywhere in the world. Before using your Iridium GO, please make sure you or your service provider has activated your SIM card. Prepare your Iridium GO by inserting the SIM card and battery. Plug it in and allow the battery to fully charge. Next, use high-speed internet to download the Iridium GO app on your smart device from either the App Store or Google Play. Iridium is an open skies network. This means to have a clear signal, you must be able to see the sky all around you. Because Iridium satellites are constantly moving to provide global coverage, the signal strength can fluctuate and is sensitive to blockage. Trees, buildings, and mountains can block the satellite's line of sight to your Iridium GO. For optimal performance, the antenna must be able to see the entire sky from approximately 8 degrees above the horizon. Now, let's start using your Iridium GO. Flip up the antenna. Set device on an elevated flat surface and wait for the device to power up and register on the network. This will take approximately 1 minute. Now, let's connect your smart device. First, place it in airplane mode for efficient operation. Then, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Iridium GO Wi-Fi network. With a range of up to 30 meters, the Iridium GO Wi-Fi connection allows for natural movement and enables the use of Iridium's network on your smart device indoors. Once you are connected, open the Iridium GO app on your smart device. To log in, the default credentials for username and password guessed will be pre-populated in the pop-up. Press Submit to log in. After you first log in, you can create your own username and password for future logins. The app language is automatically assigned based on your smart device's designated language. The Iridium GO app supports English, French, Spanish, Japanese, and Russian. Once you've logged in, check the status bar at the top of your screen for the Iridium network signal strength. For optimal performance, we recommend 3 or more bars. To make a call or send a text, you can sync the contacts to the app from your smart device, or you can dial your contact's number directly into the keypad. When dialing or texting, make sure to use the full international phone number, including country code, which can be selected from the country flag drop-down menu. In addition to its standard texting and calling capabilities, Iridium GO is equipped with an SOS feature. By pressing the red SOS button on the device or tapping the SOS icon in the Iridium GO app, you can activate an SOS alert to obtain emergency assistance anywhere in the world. Set up SOS by tapping into Settings on the Iridium GO app. Then assign a custom emergency contact or select Emergency Services through Travel Safety Group Limited, GEOS. If you opt for GEOS Emergency Services, you must first register through their website. Iridium GO can also send location tracking messages. They can be sent in one of 2 ways. Quick GPS, which is a one-time ping of location information to a predefined group of recipients. Or interval tracking, which automatically sends location information according to your selected schedule. To set up either option, tap on Settings in the Iridium GO app and select Track option. Both methods will send a message to your recipients with your GPS coordinates and a web link to a map of your location. Your Iridium GO device can also be used with other optimized apps, allowing you to send emails, browse the web, send photos, track weather, and more. Download the Iridium Mail and Web app to get started. And for a complete list of compatible apps, please visit iridiumgo.com/apps. Now you're ready to start using your Iridium GO device. For more information, including safety warnings and regulatory matters, please consult your user manual. Stay on track, stay safe, and stay in touch with family and friends wherever your adventure takes you. With Iridium, everything is within reach.